And today I want to teach you my favorite neck exercise. And this one is designed to stop that forward posture so when you're drawing forward, let's say you're working at your desk all day, or you've been driving for a long period of time, or just you notice your posture is very forward. So what we want to do is we want to take pressure off these front muscles and we want to draw everything backwards. So this exercise is called the chin tuck exercise. So you're just drawing your chin backwards. I'll do that from the side. So if you have that forward head posture, what you want to do is bring your shoulders back, and then you want to draw your chin backwards, hold for 2 seconds, and then just slowly release. Again, going back for 2 seconds and letting go. For some people, you're gonna need to have a little bit more of an advanced move, because some people you won't feel much doing this. So you want to draw backwards with a slight arch at the end. But for most of you, trying this exercise, drawing yourself back, holding for a couple seconds and letting go, you'll feel the muscles in between your shoulder blades. So the neck muscles that attach to the bottom of your neck, you're gonna feel those activate. That's what you wanna squeeze and hold, and you're gonna let go. You would repeat this 10 to 15 times, and you can do that as many times as you want throughout the day. When you're driving in your car, you can be pushing back against the headrest and whatnot. Really easy exercise to do, even at your desk, but something that if you do, you will start to strengthen those muscles. You'll see your posture improve, and it can even help you with some of your neck pain. Have a go at that. Let me know if you have any questions, and always, I'm here for you, so you can even comment down below and I'll do my best to answer. We'll talk to you soon.